How to hard reset your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hard reset your Android device. So there are basically two ways on how you can reset your Android device. The first one is the hard reset and the second one is the soft reset. So let me explain to you what both of those mean. So the hard reset means that you reset your phone using the buttons on your phone, such as the power button, the volume up button, volume down button, etc. And the soft reset means that you reset it without using any buttons, meaning you reset it by going to the settings, etc. So in this video, I'll show you how you can hard reset your Android device. And also remember, this process may vary from phone to phone as all of the phone have different hard resetting buttons. So in some cases you'll have to press the volume up and the power button, and in some devices you'll have to press the volume down and the power button, and in other devices you'll have to simply long press on the home button. So depending on which phone you have, this may be different, but this won't be entirely different as only some parts will be different, such as which button you need to press, and after that it is almost similar. So currently, since I have a OnePlus Nord N100, I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone. So first of all you have to do is simply switch this phone off or shut this phone down. To do that, long press on the power button and then tap on the option power off. Now this phone will shut down and then simply wait for it to shut down completely. Now once this phone has been shut down, what you'll have to do is simply simultaneously press both the volume down button as well as the power button at once. Now keep on pressing them until the OnePlus logo shows up. Now you will be taken to this page where it will basically provide you three different languages. Simply tap on the one which is English, and then again it will provide you three different options. You can either wipe data and cache, advanced, or exit. Simply tap on the option wipe data and cache. After that, simply tap on the option erase everything, and now it will say that this cannot be undone. So if you wish to continue, simply tap on the power button, and there you have it. It will say wiping, please wait, do not remove battery. Now simply tap on the option reboot, and there you have it. So that is basically how you hard reset an Android device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.